Well, that's a bit of a disappointment. I went to go get a screwdriver and I came back to record the video and I thought it was recording, but I guess it wasn't. I don't know. That's a bummer. So we put in the power supply. We put in the graphics card. We got a 980 Ti here. We got a Ryzen processor here. We really jammed in some of these cables here. Oof. We're going to do a post test here right away. See if we did everything nicely. This case has been pretty nice to us in terms of cable management. No real big issues here. Just going to tighten up some cables in the back. There's no hard drive in there, so dragging it on the feet like that is not actually going to cause a problem. Kind of hard with this design here to tighten that. Just kind of sits like that. Huh. Twist tie. You definitely don't want it visible from the front there, but really cheesy. There's no really anywhere to put stuff like this, so it's usually throw that in the motherboard box later. There's lots of places here where we can zip tie some of this stuff down. We're looking pretty clean on the other side here. There's some zip ties that came with it here we can use if I don't drop them all over the floor. So it's kind of a brave move by some, I guess, if you wanted to cable manage before testing that the system powers on. But I guess we're living dangerously today. I really don't like that. Let's do a little further over here. Be careful when using scissors next to power cables, especially if they're on. These are not on. I was going to do this as a live stream, but since the last time I live streamed, YouTube has disabled my ability to do that for some reason. I don't really care to find out why. Whatever. Pre-recorded, same day videos, just good. Just as good. I definitely, I feel for all the people that do YouTube videos for a living, because if I did that, man, I'd feel real nervous about my source of income. Unless you're one of those people that has like a huge following and you got a Patreon thing going. But hats off to everybody who does YouTube for a living. My goodness. It's a rough time out there. I hear even if you say rude comments once in a while about other people, you could get banned, or like those ones where the guys review other channels, they're getting banned. But doesn't matter, this is a non-monetized channel. This is just for fun. We're building a PC here. It's a reasonable aesthetic. I left some Sable on here. Reminds me. Before we get things closed up here, let's see if we have included SATA cables with this case here. I'm sure we do somewhere. I probably just put them away. There we go. I took them out earlier because I was planning to use them, and then I set them down on a random table. So, looks like, oh, just one. I guess there was just one cable. Anyways, what I'm going to do, let's spin around here. I'm going to pre-install this guy. Oh, so we have some on the side here. Now this would have been probably better to do earlier, before we had stuff in here, but I'm going to get this SATA cable installed while I have it up here in a well-lit area where I can see kind of what I'm doing. Get it clicked in there. And then I'm going to route the SATA cable down where the hard drive bay is, in case I want to add a storage drive later. Alright, now that we have that done, this back panel looks pretty good. I think it's safe to close it up. Sort of curiosity. So there's this top vent. I kind of want to see what it looks like. Oh, you know what? I like that fit better than this. I like it better. Yeah. Yeah. I think it sits better. This piece doesn't really fit good. It has some sound dampening material. Yeah, I think I'm going to go with that. Even though I don't have fans here, I like the black and white look. It's going to get visible. Anyways, we are going to wrap up this build. So I believe this is, which side panel is this? This is one of those builds where I think the panel for both sides is identical, but we will find out very quickly here. And then I'm going to get all closed up here, at least on this back side. I think I'll leave the front end so we can see, did we get the RGB right? I have not tested any of this stuff in advance. This is live-ish. It's not live in the fact that YouTube won't let me do live streaming. It's just a hot cut, or whatever you call it, video, where it's just straight upload to YouTube. Let's see if I have a power. Alright, we don't. There's no power here. I should put this milk back in the fridge. Let's get a cable. We've got an extension cable here. Let's check that I'm still actually recording. Hey, I'm still recording. Sorry if I showed it in your ears. All right. Here we go. All right, this is moment of truth. We got plugged in. Oh, little switch on the back of the power supply. We're going to get probably post code error because there's no video or keyboard hooked up. But that's how you build a computer, and It actually posts. Yay! And there's RGB. Well, thanks for checking out this video. I'm going to end it off here. I got to go actually set up this computer. But it runs. Cool. Thanks for checking it out.